Hi, I'm Kim Francis. I'm a farm wife from northern Illinois, and I grew up and lived on a family dairy farm in southwest Wisconsin for about 30 years. I married a grain farmer. We have a son that's 20 years old, and he more than anything in the world would like to milk and have his own herd of cows. And we live now outside of Warren, Illinois, on a farm next to the Wisconsin border. In October of 2007, a California millionaire, A.J. Voss, proposed a 10,000 cow dairy just a half a mile from our farm. He has proposed 84 acres of manure in lagoons. Our county board voted against this proposed mega dairy 11-5, but our local control has been taken away, and they proceeded and went ahead to start building a grassroots group called Homes, helping others maintain environmental standards formed to stop the construction. Our state geologist said it was built on a karst area, and Voss's engineers said it would leak up to 40,000 gallons of untreated manure per day into our aquifer. They want to build a pond over the stream and are waiting for a permit from the Illinois EPA for 2 years. The corporation will put Illinois, Iowa, and Wisconsin dairy farmers out of business. This is a redistribution of wealth that is taking family farmers out of business. When and if he comes in, many more will come. Homes needs help to stop this beginning of the 10,000 cow dairies starting to come in. We are now in appellate court with thousands of dollars in bills. Please visit stopthemegadairy.org to help. Thank you.